Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Microsoft Store acquiring license error in Windows 10. First method is click Start, Settings, click Apps. Type Store. Click Microsoft Store, click Advanced Options. Click Reset, Reset. Second method is copy URL from description and paste it. Click Download. Open downloaded file and extract it. First we can take registry backup, type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click File Export. Give any name for future use. Right-click Registry File, click Merge. Click Yes to continue. Right-click Taskbar, click Task Manager, click Services. Make sure Clip SVG service is started. If not started, right-click, click Start the service. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.